Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Liberty Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this magic kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just with a balloon in my hand. And wouldn't you know it? With a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. This here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Buck. See why. On a more musical note, just ahead, Princess Tiana is striking up the band for her big part. She may be watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Alright friends, we are still moving, so make sure we remain inside the train. Tuck you all clear. Just remain seated. Remain seated, just a moment. Remain seated. Alright, let's see all clear. Welcome to Frontier Station.
You put it in go mode.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
They're ready. Big Thunder Mountain. Now, normally, folks around here have a one-track line for going. But mine seems to have been derailed. They've been working on that railroad for more than 100 days. Keep ahead.
full of that old gold mine behind. Enter my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise. Turning the tail around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends don't know. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland. Imagine.
Yeah, the frame is this everything on the right is going to be
I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow! Oh, take it. We really must find some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is the place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way we can start loading up for the next leg of our train. For those disembarking, please watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. Just getting aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Wait. One moment, stay seated. Alright, test you all clear. Welcome to Fantasyland. Also your gateway to Tomorrowland.
We'll have plenty of time to tour the magic kingdom after the big show.
Mega Bar journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas en incluye a los pequeños. Gracias.
Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve, and not just because we're on the straight. On the populous and mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
You know,
Alright guys, first as you begin this journey, make sure all our children are sitting down safely.
Unidentified users detected on the conflict area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed each life cycle run for upload. Once digitized, you may board your life cycle and join the games. Fair warning, users. Competition is fierce and fast. Stick together. It's your only life connection.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
Can you believe this is a real
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Stay seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Travelers, as we enter the station, please remain seated until you all clear. We're going to go really super slow here in a second, but we'll tell you all clear. Just one moment. One moment.
We don't have to throw it.
Ready?
Yes, that's why we're here.